As a first step, let's figure out what our average annual earnings were in 2010 as well as 2015. When we look at the graph on the right, which is about annual earnings, for 2010 we can see a reading of 15 million, and in 2015 we can see a reading of 40 million. Now the question wants to know by what percent did the average annual earnings per store increase from 2010 to 2015? And the problem, of course, is we simply don't know the number of stores. That information is not given to us within the problem. The only thing we do know is that the number of stores in 2015 was twice the number of stores in 2010. So one thing we can do here to make this problem easy on ourselves, let's pretend that in 2010 they had one store, which means in 2015 they would have two stores. And if that's the case, the earnings per store in 2010 would be 15 million. And in 2015, two stores, $40 million, it would be $20 million per store. So what would be the percent increase in the earnings per store? Remember, the way we calculate a percent increase, it's the difference in our two amounts over the original amount, which is the chronologically earlier of the two amounts. Well, the difference between 20 million and 15 million is 5 million. And the original amount back in 2010 was 15 million. And that leaves us with 5 over 15, which of course is a third, and that is 33%. And there you go. That's one way we can figure out that the average annual earnings per store increased by 33% from 2010 to 2015.